Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for AskMrGreenThumb.com. So you want to raise plants in pots. Gardening in pots is easy. We've been doing it for, well, thousands of years. There's all kinds of different pots that you can use. And one of my favorites is that of clay pots because they are natural, they tend to breathe, and you just seem to have better results sometimes in some of the clay pots than some of the plastic. They're a little bit heavier, so they tend not to get blown over, and they also tend to breathe a little bit more, which means some moisture may wick out through the container, but it also tends to be maybe a bit more breathable, which means you've got maybe a little bit more oxygen and carbon dioxide being transferred throughout the plant. One of the ideas with the containers is you want to add a good soil. Remember, your soil is sort of like the base of a building. If you've got a good sterile soil, you're going to have better results with your planting. Make sure it's a peat, perlite, maybe add some manure to it. You really want to improve that soil and get away from the native backyard dirt. That's one of the big keys in being a good gardener and being one that's not so successful. Use good ingredients and you'll have better results. If you do recycle these pots, make sure you clean them with about a 10% solution of household bleach, or you may wind up carrying those pathogens on to your next replanting. Growing in containers is easy to start seeds or cuttings, or just to repot plants into larger size containers. For using containers, I'm Mr. Green Thumb.